Hey, hello, and welcome back to Ask Nolan. Today we're going to be reviewing question number 8 from a Geometry Unit 3 test. Okay. Uh, with this problem, they're asking us to determine the rigid transformations that map DOG onto DOG double prime. So the more apostrophes, the number of apostrophes tells you how many transformations it went through. So for this one, there were two transformations because each letter has two apostrophes. So, um, let's see here. We're going to first just start off by choosing one letter to map to itself. And I'm going to choose D. This is the first one. Doesn't matter. Somebody else could choose O. Another person could choose G. No matter what, it should still, you're still going to get the correct answer. Okay? So the first one says reflect over the line y equals x, followed by the translation of adding 1 to x and adding 1 to y. Now, so let's talk about these transformations here. The first one is y equals x. So I'm going to underline that. I'm going to underline the reflection with red, and then I'll do the translation in blue. So I'm just going to take our time here. We're going to start with D, which is -2, 4. And if these transformations are correct for A, the final answer will be 4, -2. So, for when you reflect over y equals x, so for that one, x, y, whatever your x and y are, changes, they just switch positions. So when you reflect over the line y equals x, the x and y just change positions. So let's try that out. So I'll do that in red. So if you do the first transformation for D, you just switch the ordered pair, it become 4, -2. And now we have to do the second transformation. The second transformation says add 1 to x, so 4 plus 1 is 5, and add 1 to y. -2 plus 1 is -1. Now, D double prime is 4, -2, so A is not going to work. So we've already eliminated A. And now we're going to go to the next one. So I'm going to erase some of this stuff here. And let's go to answer choice B. Answer choice B says reflect over the y-axis and then rotate 90 degrees clockwise. All right, so reflecting over the y-axis, only the x values change. The y values stay the same. So when you reflect over the y-axis, no matter what your x and y are, the x changes to its opposite and the y stays the same. And a 90-degree clockwise motion is the same as 270 counterclockwise. So whatever your x and y are, when you do this rotation, it's going to become y. The y and x switch positions, and the x becomes its opposite. So now we're going to do answer choice B. We're going to perform those transformations on the ordered pair -2, 4 to see if it gives us the correct answer for the new D. So when we do the first transformation, we're gonna keep x and y in their same position. Oops. Gonna keep x and y in their same position, and x is gonna change to its opposite. So after the first transformation, D becomes +2, 4. Now we need to do the second one, and I'll do the second one in blue. The second transformation tells us to switch x and y. So I switched it, and then make the x value its opposite. So the original x value was +2. And when we change it to its opposite, it's going to become -2. So in that case, that actually gives us the answer that we're looking for. So our correct answer here for number 8 would be answer choice B. All right.